Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha loves some makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have the Boxycharm Base Box for the month of August. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. So welcome back to the channel. I finally got a Boxycharm box in the mail that wasn't like the last week of the month, so this is super exciting and a pleasant surprise. I did not expect to see this box until like probably next week sometime, so excited to get this box, considering these boxes normally come like literally like the last week of the month. No shade, no tea. Love you, Boxycharm. But nevertheless, this box seems really heavy. So like I'm dying to know what is in this box. But before we get into the box, as always, I just want to welcome myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome all, welcome. My name is Aisha. I love makeup. Hence my YouTube name, Aisha Loves Makeup. I do lots of makeup subscription unboxings on my channel. I do makeup hauls and a lot of shopping hauls. If you love makeup and you love shopping, I mean, who doesn't love shopping? Who doesn't love makeup? Then I would just say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And if you love my video, do me a favor at the end of the video, or you can just do it now. Just give your girl a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty, so we're gonna just, without further ado, we're gonna get into the box. Alrighty, so let's see what we got here. So this is what it looks like. As always, when you open up the box, there is a card on the top that looks like so. And then I'll give you guys a little sneak peek, as always. So sneak peek, and then now let's dig in. Alrighty, so this is the base box. The base box is supposed to be 5 items for $25. But it always goes, the value always goes way over $100. So you definitely always get your bang for your buck. So it looks like the theme for the month, it says Boxycharm, go all out. It says save the date, September 13, October, Boxy Choice. So let me just let you guys take a look at that. So that's what the card looks like. And I'm super excited to see what I got. I got a lot of heavy stuff. I guess that's why the box is so heavy. It looks skincare heavy, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna keep looking into everything. We're just going to dig in and we'll see together. So I see some type of palette here. It says the Grown Woman palette, which I've definitely got before. And I wanna say they sent me an email saying, sorry, we sent you something, something again for the second time, but they said something to the extent like, we'll give you, I don't know, was it like $5 to the Boxycharm store? And then they said just keep the item, which is a little annoying because how is that really helping me? You just want me to spend more money with you guys. But I definitely, yes, I did get this already. So I'll save this for a giveaway. This is what it looks like, which they sent to me already, but they already knew that because they sent me an email. So as I've been saying in all my videos, Boxycharm has not been, you know, doing too good lately. Like I said, I don't know what's going on. It's just like the last couple of months, they've really just been falling off. I have this palette already. Hold on, be right back. All right, so just so you guys know, I am not lying. I do own this palette already. So now, like I said, I have 2 of them from Boxycharm. Did I even use this palette? I don't even think, I'm not even sure. I think I did because I see a couple of swatches on it. So I did use the palette, but from what I can remember, I didn't think the pigmentation was anything that spectacular. I just find it weird. So they knew they sent me something that I already got already. So it's like, why did you even send it? Like, it's like, oh, we sent this out. We know she already had, but we'll send her. Like, it just, I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. But nevertheless, now I have 2 of the same thing. So I'll just keep the one that I just got toward a giveaway for when I have my next giveaway. All right, so the next thing I got in the box was this iconic London bronzer. From what I recall, the choices wasn't anything that spectacular that I was like, oh my gosh, I can't decide what I want to get. The choices used to be like, it's like, oh man, I want this, but I want to try that. And I was like, I guess I'll just get this. I think it's like the only thing where I was like, I guess I'll get, but I mean, I really don't really wear bronzer. But I was like, I guess I'll try this. So let's see what color I chose. I love the packaging. I will say, like, this packaging is cute. I am here for the rose gold. Let's see what the color looks like. All right, so this is the color that I chose. As you can see, it is dark. I'm happy that they have like dark color options, because normally when they do bronzers, it's like normally for like my skin tone, it's hard to find like a nice warm bronzer, but I think I would be able to wear this color. So like I said, I wasn't excited to get a bronzer because I don't really use bronzer, but maybe I'll use it for contouring. So we'll try that out. And let's see how much the bronzer was. The bronzer was $35, and that palette that they gave me again was $42 for that palette, which in my opinion, like I said, I tried it. I did a couple of swatches and it wasn't anything really that spectacular. I personally don't think it's a $42 worth palette, but that's just my opinion, in my opinion only. All right, so the next thing I got is from Kate Somerville. It is the Exfoliate Glow. This is the box. I've heard a lot of good things about Kate Somerville. I haven't really tried anything from Kate Somerville, so I have to be the judge of that. But do I have this? I want to say, do I have this already? Hold on, let me see. I'm not sure. I want to say I have this already, but I opened it so I won't give it away. But it says that this is a moisturizer. It has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid in it. It says it improves pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshing looking skin. This is what the actual packaging looks like. And I love that it has like a cute little smiley face on it. So maybe I don't have this because I don't remember having any packaging with like a little smiley face on it, which is so cute. And this is the product. That was $70. Wow. It says powerhouse ingredient removes dead surface skin cells while smoothing lines and wrinkles to have a younger looking skin. So I will try that. Like I said, I'm not thrilled with trying new skincare. I'm more of a makeup heavy type of a girl. I like makeup heavy boxes. But I've heard a lot of good things about the brand, so I will try that out. Speaking of that, it's getting very close to when I'm gonna be showing like where I store like all my backup skincare products. I think maybe I'll film that tomorrow or today. I don't know. We'll see, but that's a video that's gonna be coming up very soon. I have a lot of skincare that I have in store, some in my beauty room, some in my master bathroom, and then I have my half a bathroom, which nobody uses that bathroom, so I just store all my, you know, excess stuff in there, which mostly houses it's just cabinets of skincare and stuff. So I'll show you guys that soon, so stay tuned for that video, because a lot of you guys have been asking when I'm gonna upload that video. So like I said, stay tuned for that. In that video, I'm gonna be doing a skincare giveaway because I just have so much skincare. So when I have a skincare giveaway and a skincare like a video, like reveal video. So stay tuned for that, and let's get back to the video. So the next thing I got is a Manicador. It says Flutter Mascara. This is what it looks like. I have so much mascara, so you know what, I'm not even gonna open this up because I have so many for makeup subscription boxes. And I only could use, I just opened up like 2. So let me not get too carried away opening mascaras. But this mascara retails for $29. It says it's supposed to length, curl, volumize, and lift lashes. So I definitely will use this. The next thing I got, I guess this is what was making my box so heavy. It is a Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. It has hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. So, oh, this is cute. Oh, I like the packaging. I love the smell of pineapples. If you follow my channel, then you'll know, like, I get like candles that smell like pineapple, coconut. So I definitely am happy. I will be happy if this smells like pineapple. So let me do a little spray. Let's see here. I don't really smell the pineapple in here. Yeah, it doesn't smell like pineapple. I don't smell anything really. If I do, it's very like mildly, like barely smell anything. It's not like a pungent pineapple smell, which I guess can be a good thing because you don't want to walk around smelling like pineapples. Well, I wouldn't mind walking around smelling like pineapples. This spray was $38. Wow, wow, wow. But that's about it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What was a makeup item? Well, I got 2 makeup items. I mean, we always get mascara, so something that I'm that thrilled about. And the bronzer, like I said, it wouldn't have been my first choice. The spray, would that be considered a makeup item or glow mist? I guess it's still kind of like a skincare. There was nothing here that really excited me. I mean, will I use the items? Absolutely, but nothing was too exciting. So I'm gonna give this box, unfortunately, a 3 out of 10. They got a very low score just for the simple fact that they gave me something that they knew I already had. For the simple fact that I got an email saying, hey, you're gonna get something in your box that you already have. So it's like, if you already knew I had it, why even send it? Just give your girl something else. Like, I'm very confused about that whole process because it's like they know that they sent. It's different if they didn't know they sent something and I emailed them and like, hey, you sent me something that you gave me already. Can you give me something else? I understand that, but for the simple fact that they already know and they still send it, it's a little confusing and mind-boggling to me. And this is not the first time I've actually got an email like that from Boxycharm. But nevertheless, like I said, they said they were going to give me, I think it was like $5 toward the Boxy pop-up store. But there's a lot of drama with, I'm not doing any more like add-ons, pop-up sales, any of that stuff. Because there was a whole bunch of drama with all of that, which I'll link those 2 videos down below. I'm not even going to get into it into this video. But Boxycharm, love you guys, but please get everything together. I say this in every video. I don't know what's going on, but you know, you still have subscribers and people who subscribe to your subscription boxes who are still holding on to like a thin needle, like a thin string. We're holding on, trying to hold on. I'm trying to still have faith in Boxycharm, so hopefully they get everything together. And that's really about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, stay tuned for my skin care. I'll show you guys how I store like all like my X and stuff, because I have so much, unfortunately. But I do make up subscription boxes, and lately they give a lot of skincare, so I do have a lot, and I do buy a lot. It's just, you know, this is what I do. This is what I do. But if you're watching this channel, then most likely you're a makeup skincare junkie like me, so you get it. We get each other. But thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I'll see you guys all in my next video.